inside my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing great. I'm doing great myself. In today's video, I want to show you a very simple way how you can do your own face toner at home. Now the reason why I want you to do this face toner, one, because it is economical. Two, you will use the item that you might have at home. Everybody usually might have this item at home, so you're going to save a lot of money. And three, it is very good for your body. It is going to clean your body, get rid of any dirt on your face. If you have acne, it's going to get rid of your acne. It is going to rejuvenate your body, leaving your face looking fresh and beautiful, and it's going to make your face to look bright. I've been using this face toner for some time now, so I decided to bring it to you guys, to share it with you guys, so you can go ahead and try this face toner, do your own face toner and use it, and come back right under this video and drop a comment and let me know how it worked for you. So guys, I'm going to take you to my kitchen to do this face toner. Without further ado, let's go right into the video. So for this home remedy, you will be needing your apple cider vinegar, and you will need your rose water. It's rose water. You will need a container like this to put in the mixture. You're also going to need your mineral water, and you need a mixing cup, mixing jar, and of course you need a glass and a spoon. Okay, this is half glass of mineral water. And for my apple cider vinegar, I'm going to put in a quarter glass. That means half of half. Okay. This is a quarter glass. And for my rose water, I'm going to put in a quarter glass as well. That is half of half. And this is my rose water. I'm adding it into my mixture. Okay. And you want to make sure that you stir it. You need to give it a good mix. This is your toner, guys. Very simple, very easy, and very cheap as well. You just transfer that into this container. There you go. Make sure you shake it very well so it mixes very well. So this is your face toner. You have your face toner. You can use it whenever you take your bath. You make sure you've washed your face is dry and clean. You can apply this toner on your face. You can either spray it and leave it to dry out, or use a cotton bud to put this toner on your cotton and use it to clean your face very well. Leave it to dry. After you have done this, when the toner is dry completely, then you apply your moisturizer. So guys, go ahead and try this home remedy and come back and leave a comment and tell me how it worked for you. I've been using it for some time and it's very good. So guys, I hope that you enjoy watching this video. If you're new to my channel, please do not leave without hitting the subscribe button, and of course do not forget to turn on the notification bell as well, so whenever I upload a new video you will get to watch it. For my returning viewers, I say thank you so much for your love and your support. Until then guys, I'll see you again in my next video. Do have a great day. Bye.